All right, so it's been a while since I did this, but I redid the plumbing. I hooked in there's a main running through here, so I was able to hook in for this shower. I reframed this area. It's a 30 by 48, and anyway, I just poured this the other day where I broke it up, but I realized this actually needs some room. It's gonna have to go down about 5 inches, so I gotta cut a little area, or actually chip away a little area around here, so that this actually can go on there and get glued onto the pipe. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I chipped it out there. Looks like I have enough room. So from here, I will just measure it out and cut where it needs to go, and then dry fit it. Make sure it's gonna work. All right, so this is the system I'm gonna use for my shower pan. It's a Schluter Kerdi shower base. This is it. So now I just need to get some measurements and cut it to the right size, and then mix up some mortar. And this is the curb that comes with the drain system. Okay, so I've marked it out. Made sure that, because the drain in there isn't completely center, so I just had to measure from the center and make sure that it was right. So now I'm going to cut it out. Drain is in and glued, and we did one layer of the cloth, different brands, not Schluter, and then this is, I'm going to actually do this, I'm going to roll this in a, I can't remember the name, but it's a rubber, waterproof rubber coating. I do 2 coats of that, and then the curb as well.